Hello, Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. I wanted to share with you my new office girl bag. Now, many of you may have known that years ago I did the typography office girl bag. Now, this was made around an actual paper collection called Typography by Graphic 45. So everything was labelled and worked with the instructions so you could create this lovely bag with the 5 mini albums. However, you can't get that collection anymore, and many people like to make this bag in different papers, and I often get asked, how would I do it in different papers? Well, I've updated this, I've revised it, I've given you my new cutting and scoring guide. As you know, many of you that have done my online workshops, my cutting and scoring guide comes in sections. They work with each of the videos that you get with my online workshop. The grid system means you can tick it off as you go along and label the elements as we build the project together. It's all broken down into small step-by-step videos that you can do with me. It's like having me in your craft room. You'll see my hands. My right hand's your right hand, my left hand's your left. But you're going to be able to create this office girl bag. It's got all the lovely features of the little feet, the fact we can get 5 albums, mini albums in here as well. You've got the magnetisation so your bag stays shut when you're carrying it or lifting it around. And I've even done some troubleshooting little tip videos with this project, just to show you, if you haven't got the same things, how you can use different items to do the same things as I've done and get that lovely effect. So when we open up the bag, it's all magnetised, as you've seen. It opens up, it's beautifully decorated inside, and it houses 5 mini albums. Okay, 5. Got 5 in here. You're going to get 2 of the accordion style mini albums, both decorated slightly differently, and again with the step-by-step video instructions. We're going to go through the construction, we're going to go through the decoration, adding little elements, and then I'm going to go through a final walkthrough with how I've decorated mine to give you even more inspiration. And there's also an inspirational gallery so you can see ideas as well. We've then got the medium style albums. So you've got 2 different styles here with this medium pocket album. 2 totally different styles. One's got lots of flaps and pages, and then the other one's got additional hidden magnetic pockets and then big slider pockets as well. So there's lots of space here for you to add photographs. And then on top of that, you've got your large pocket album. So again, lots of spaces for adding lots of photographs. So you've got 5 mini albums in there, in with your office style bag. You could use the online workshop and create the albums just to give away as gifts on their own. You could just send that to somebody instead of a birthday card. There's lots of different ways this project can be used. And the nice thing about it is, by changing your cardstock, your paper collection, every time you make it, it will look totally different. So I do hope you enjoy this new version. I've really enjoyed doing it. Having it with the cutting and scoring guide grid like I normally do is perfect, because you can tick it off as you go along. Each of the videos goes along with the cutting and scoring guide. So we have construction, we have decoration, we have your final walkthrough, and then your gallery. So I'm with you every step of the way, so you too can make a beautiful office girl bag just like this one. You can gift it, you can keep it. The choice is yours, but it's a fabulous little project to make. And if you're someone that just loves your paper collections and doesn't want to add photographs, you don't have to. This is a lovely project to make with one of your favourite collections, to add all your favourite pieces on here and have it on your craft shelf to look at and enjoy with your favourite collection. I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations. I hope you enjoy this project, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my online workshop. Bye for now.